Hi, I'm Kunal Raginwar. So, how was the day today? Was it very similar to what we discussed yesterday? If yes, please give a like and subscribe to the channel and the video. It will help a lot. We'll have a look at what has happened exactly today and what we can expect for tomorrow, which is Monday. So, now, welcome to the game changers. So, Bank Nifty, we discussed this scenario where यहाँ पे we have drawn the 3 minute for the short side. We wanted a 3 minute below yesterday's low, which didn't happen. On the long side, हम लोग को चाहिए था that it goes above this pivot high, which has happened. Now this is a very deep stop loss, but for positional trading, ये valid है, right? Now if one doesn't want to carry this positionally, also it's fine, there is no issue. But now we should look at bullish setups. ठीक है? Today was a good positional carry day until and unless this low is broken. If this low is broken, the trend will change and we'll get stopped out, which is perfectly fine. कभी कभार ऐसे होता है, there is no problem. We just have to follow rules. ठीक है, वी आर नॉट इन कंट्रोल ऑफ द रिजल्ट. तो वॉट टू एक्सपेक्ट फॉर मंडे, बिकॉज मंडे इज गोइंग टू बी अ वेरी क्रूशल डे. टुडे हैज़ बीन अ बुलिश डे, सो ऑन मंडे वी वॉन्ट टू सी इफ देर इज अ फॉलो थ्रू डे और नो, और इफ दिस फेल्स. वॉट डू आई मीन बाय फॉलो थ्रू डे? वी आर गोइंग टू मार्क द हाई ऑफ द डे, and what we are going to do is, if the day's high breaks convincingly, a 3 minute pivot forms, and then a breakout, this is a valid setup. For shorting, I would want to avoid. Okay, there is only one scenario where I would like to short, is if ये जो रैली है इसका अगर यहाँ पे खुलता है किधर तो मार्केट at 50%, some bad news or something, it opens there, but after that we want, this is the 50% level, it should open somewhere here, a 3 minute pivot has to form, and then a breakdown. Only then we will short, and that too with half risk, because overall trend is still bullish. So we are going to try and be long until the trend changes. Once the trend changes, we'll shift our hats. We do not need to anticipate. See, I can see that there are a lot of problems with carrying a long trade, because कोई खराब news आ सकती है, something bad can happen. Yes, it's completely possible. There is a war-like situation in the world, and something can happen. Yes, but what we can do is just trade. We can't think about कि क्या होगा. Maybe one can trade with half risk if one is not comfortable in carrying a position. Okay, but the rules say if this high is broken, this should be your stop loss and you should trade. Chalo, bye. See you on Monday.